Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'm going to be sharing with you today about the book, The Grumpy Goat. This book is by Once Upon a Dance, and it's a Dance It Out creative movement story. We love to pair this book with our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. If you like stories that are funny, that have animals, and also have firefighters in it, this story's for you. I love how on each page of the story, there is a Dance It Out section with pictures. So after you read the story, you can do different dance movements on each of the pages. You can also use our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects to pair up with each of the pages' pictures. I love how interactive each of these pages can be as you use the Say and Play Story Kit mini objects to pair up with all of the pictures. Here on this picture, I can pair up this fence right over here, along with adding in a tree and a goat to go along with the grumpy goat in the story. You can find The Grumpy Goat, as well as several other books by Once Upon a Dance, at speechandsmile.com.